First impression is the last impression. I am Abdullah Khan and I am a student of ESL.
Why the first impressions affect our personality? Actually, our introduction makes us
Yes.
FFV8 creativity.
Yes.
I am Musalman and having useful topic. I'm also ESL instructor. So today, in the first session, that
Alaikum
how are
assalam.
you, dear?
Fine.
Okay, well. First of all, before starting our session, I
Yes.
want to know your background.
Yes, why not? I am Abdullah Khan
Well,
from Mardan and I am a student of second year.
well.
Yes.
Okay, and please let me share your experience. How was your first day as compared to nowadays? After
Yes.
the 2 weeks, how you
Yes.
the mean your position?
Yes. So the first day I will coming in the academy. So I am very confused or nervous for this purpose. I am not getting English, not getting English. Anyone in the movies are watching. I am watching. So the movies are more other,
Yes,
and television are watching. So
yes,
I am not getting English.
yes.
So I was very confused for this purpose. So I am coming in this way. So Alhamdulillah, bas
Now you are improve your
yes,
abilities.
little
Yes,
bit, little bit,
yes,
but the grace
Alhamdulillah.
of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala.
Yes,
And in these days, I will very happy. So I am very happy for the before those days and the
well done.
before those year 1 or 2 year. I am
Or
not getting or not
understanding
understanding or
individual
not
world. Yes,
speaking.
well,
Yes, yes.
okay.
So was
For that you are now very happy as,
yes,
and mostly as for example, if he is doing mistakes, don't worry,
yes,
forgive it
yes,
because he's the first student and he
yes,
want to record in the first session.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
Mr. Abdullah, please tell me about your daily routine. What are you doing and nowadays, and what's your the responsibility that you have, and why you have take admission for learning language?
First of all, my daily routine is
Yes,
get up early in the morning
yes,
and I offer Fajr prayer
well
and
done.
I am taking talim
Well done.
or
Okay, you are spending time with some of the preachers.
yes,
Well,
precious
good.
of Islam.
Well,
And now after that, I am memorization of the whole homework of Holy Quran,
well done,
and
mashallah.
after that. Some little bit work in our home
Mm.
for mom say or father say.
Okay.
So I am quickly inshallah.
Okay,
I
you
am
can do
quickly
well.
yes,
Okay, well.
and after that I pray Zohar
Yes,
prayer
yes,
and going to home and
yes.
little bit food
Yeah, to eat
eat yes
lunch
little bit
meal.
food
Yes,
and
well.
quickly going to our
Madrasa.
Islamic
Well
institution.
done, good.
Yes,
Okay, when you return from the university, from the Islamic institution, mean from madrasa,
yes,
he quickly come here because he's very keen of to learn the language. As
yes,
you
yes,
know, why we are learning the language, it's very important. We are learning for the language for that reason, to communicate with the foreign person. Especially there's our compulsion that you want to learn the English language. Actually, if we know and if we know the familiar with the language, the verbal language, non-verbal language, so we can communicate with technology. Especially nowadays, the technology is a big revolution, is change our future. So that was some of the introduction or some of the daily routine that we have discussed with Mr. Abdullah. Now,
yes.
now I am going to ask some of the important question which is most associated with his personality. The first one is this: what's the favorite color?
All about my favorite color. But in the childhood, my favorite and my best color is yellow or blue.
Okay,
But little bit I am, but a
like
little bit black.
okay, black
Yes, yes,
colors.
yes, black
Okay,
color.
and why you wear today white color? What are the reason that you wear, and especially on the Friday that you have
Yes,
wore the white
yes.
dress?
For this reason, in today's some days are feeling hotness, and
Yeah,
this
definitely.
way I am take a
Season variation,
yes,
yes.
yes, I am take a white
Ismail is a
color.
white color sunnah, okay?
Yes, yes, yes,
And
yes,
especially on the
yes,
Friday, if we wear these things, so it's a kind of the double sunnah that we
yes,
are implementing in our life. So
yes,
mostly we have to prefer the white color.
yes.
Okay, and please tell me, as you being married, you are also playing some of the football, some of the cricket. So which one you are the most favorite game in your among of all games?
My favorite game is badminton.
Okay,
Badminton,
well,
but the time is short, so I am not playing other.
well, yeah.
I think in Pirano Daga.
Yes, yes, and that place, it's a
In
kind
that
of
place,
place name,
the
yes.
place name and in
You are playing mostly here.
yes, yes,
Okay,
in
well,
big hall of them,
okay,
hall
well,
of badminton hall.
okay.
But I am
Nowadays that you are busy to some of
yes,
the
yes,
other activities,
yes,
especially they have some of the responsibility to memorize the Holy Quran. These are
yes.
very blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala he is doing. Okay, and Mr. Abdullah, the last question that I'm going to ask from you, there's why you are learning English language as you being a beard, as you have a our cap as well, as you seem like a scholar, why you want to learn the English language and what are the
Not
reason,
matter.
right? What are the reason that you
Yes.
have to compel to learn the English language?
First of all, that is the not reason
Yes,
for the learning English. You
definitely.
are already a person and
Yes,
ashraful makhluqat.
definitely,
So,
definitely.
so I am learning English about the all other words of
Yes,
mostly I am a student, so
yes,
this way I am learning English. And the
definitely.
second one is the I am I am
To familiar with
learning,
technology.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes,
I am learning technology with
uh,
easily
yes, to accessible.
understanding
Definitely,
other words, and
definitely.
more of computer or of mobile phone.
Yes,
And the third one is the most expensive way. Yeah,
definitely, and more
definitely
precious thing that we
precious
are
thing,
learning for the one of the reason there's we are learning for the preaching of Islam,
preaching
especially
of
that we
Islam.
are right? So it's a kind of language that we are learning from it. Okay, Mr. Abdullah, if you learn the language,
Yes,
so how much it will help you in your future? How much it
yes,
helpful for
yes,
you in your
yes.
future?
They
Probably
had
could you it help you in the your educational field?
yes,
It will help in your the other work, as for example that the technology comes in our
yes.
mind, but
He
we are learning for the as a compulsion as our need that we are learning the English language, am I right, sir?
yes,
Well,
yes. And in the whole life ourselves, he's it is inshallah I am learning full of English, so
mm,
that is very helpful for
definitely
me
it will
inshallah.
make in your future.
Yes,
Actually
and
there's
more
international
other works,
language,
yeah, yes, yes,
definitely.
in
Okay,
technology,
yes,
easily understanding more other technology,
okay.
not a computer technology, more
Def-
other technology available are,
Definitely. Well,
yes.
okay. And
So
Mr. Abdullah, please tell me about those students, okay,
yes,
who are not learning English language. As for example, I remember the one of the story that I'm going to discuss with you. That when he came here, so he said to me, "Sir, I am not able to speak individual word, but it's by the grace of Allah, I did some of the practice with him, and some of the activities I did with him. So Father, and now he able to speak a little bit, but as compared to the other person is very
yes.
thin. So what are the reason that the people can lose your hope and they can say I can't learn it? So what are the suggestion that you want to give to them?
The people have thinking the English language is a big of
It's a kind of horrible, like
yes, yes,
terrible
and
thing.
you are
It's a kind of what we call a burden of it.
yes,
Yes.
yes. So I say that this is one
The one of the reason that we
one
are just imagine that it's
yes,
a
yes,
very
and
difficult thing.
this
Yes.
is a language, not
Definitely.
about
Yes. That's a big thing. There's
or other
definitely it's a
yes,
language, but the people are concept that have,
yes.
especially Pakistani people.
I am speaking.
Uh,
We were speaking mostly Urdu or Pashto. So
yeah,
this was a English
this is a
already
language.
language,
Definitely,
international
definitely.
language.
Yes.
It help us in the more other countries. Or you
Well,
will
well,
be going to
definitely.
you in the on
For this,
in more other countries
yes, if you
are
want
not
to go,
speaking
so
in
how we can convey our message?
yes.
Yes, he
So
want to
English.
say that he it means that if we are not learning English language, so how we can communicate with the other person and how we can convey our message, our
Yes,
communication.
yes.
So this is the way
So
you
that was
have to learn things. So what
yes.
are the suggestions that you have give to the audience, to the people, those who can lose your hope? What of the
Don't lose
quotation
your
where we
hope.
no pain,
Yeah, no
no
pain,
gain,
no gain.
no gain.
You are not
Hard working.
hardworking, so you are not easily understanding nor
Anything.
anything, not a
Definitely.
English language,
Yes.
anything.
Yes.
So you are
The reason of
hard,
it, as you are doing the hard
hard
working,
work,
we
hard
can
working.
learn
Inshallah,
anything. So
inshallah.
inshallah, we will come back with useful topic. Best of luck.
Best of luck.
Inshallah.
Assalamu
Nice meeting you.
alaikum.
Assalam.